Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about Einstein Rosen Bridge. Einstein Rosen Bridge was theorized by Albert Einstein in 1935. In general theory of relativity, four-dimensional space-time can be bent or curved due to the presence of mass. So any massive object, star or even galaxy can warp the fabric of space-time around them, so causing it to bend. Now Einstein theorized that if mass is sufficiently heavy or extremely heavy, then it will torn apart that space-time fabric and it will create a tunnel connecting between two distant points, and this tunnel is called this space-time tunnel is called Einstein Rosen Bridge. But this is merely a hypothetical theory. No experiment has been done to verify or falsify this Einstein Rosen Bridge, because to create a Einstein Rosen Bridge we need a negative mass. So, and there is nobody has found negative mass in the universe, and also it will also need to go faster than the speed of light. It means the speed must be faster than the speed of light. These two are the condition to create Einstein Rosen Bridge, but this faster than the speed of light is impossible according to special theory of relativity. So this is the small introduction of Einstein Rosen Bridge.